Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly create your Hubert account. First, go to the Hubert registration page or visit hubert.com/register. This is where you'll enter your information to get started. Begin by filling in your account information. Choose a username you'll remember. You can use letters, numbers, and special characters. Create a password that's at least 8 characters long and confirm it. You'll also see a password strength indicator ranging from weak to very strong as you type. Finally, enter your email address and then confirm it. Next, enter your personal details, including your first and last name and a phone number. Please use the main number for your company. The second phone number is for an alternative business number at your location. It's optional. Some of you will see your company name and customer code automatically applied. If your customer code isn't filled in and you believe you have one, reach out to your account manager for assistance. If you don't know who your account manager is, you can contact sales@hubert.com or call 877-276-7773. This ensures your account is linked to your microsite. Next, select your type of business from the drop-down menu. If you don't see an option that perfectly fits, just choose the closest one. Finally, click the orange button to create your account. And that's it. You're now ready.